Alright, so this is what the new motor mount for the Kaiju Ext looks like. Again, I got another cover that came with the chassis kit. But this is the cam that the motor mounts on. Has a slot also for tightening the pinion. This mounts on to the body like this. Cam goes in here. There we go. Cam goes in like that, and then you can adjust your motor. That's the old motor mount, 2 pieces. Kind of chintzy compared to this heavy duty one. I'm liking it. I got a 12-tooth pinion. Now, this is the locking screw. This looks like it might have been taken off of an existing Kaiju Ext. A lot of people part them out, sell the parts. But I did pretty good. I got 2 of these for about $20. I'll be mounting the motor on and getting it in the truck. Oh, it doesn't come with all the screws. So to make the Home Depot run, I got these for motor mounting screws. These are M4 16 millimeter. Might have to cut them down. To mount the motor mount in, never mind the nuts, I got these 8x32s, 5/8 to lock down that motor mount. These are Phillips. I hate Phillips, but what are you going to do? This is what Home Depot had. Their fastener area is a mess. So you can mount this piece on like this. Which isn't bad. I use 16 millimeter long screws because that's pretty thick. Then all you have to do is take this piece, position it like this, okay, and then just slide it and it'll lock in place. The motor won't go anywhere. And then there's a set screw here. I'll show you later once I get this onto the car. Got the new motor mount in, just like that. Use those 8x32s. Just had to drill the hole a little bigger. Then you just take your motor, and you're going to put it in like so. Just slide it in and then set your mesh. Also right up here, you got to put in either a flathead, I put a flathead Phillips, or a hex to keep the top from buckling back and forth. When you set your mesh on your Kaiju Ext, want it to sound like this. Means you have a good mesh. The way you get to move that gear is take off the rear cover and the next cover, and then you'll be able to reach under and grab the gear as you're setting the mesh. You're going to be setting the mesh by tightening that hex. When you tighten that hex, have your hand on the motor to hold it in place steady, and periodically as you tighten it, check that you have the correct amount of mesh. You don't want it too tight. You'll chew these gears up.